Hello class, we are here again. Welcome to my lab. Today we are going to be covering Unit 4, Day 2, low voltage application, and the student will be learning how to interconnect an actuator to the fire alarm control panel and how to test it, okay? And this is my contact information. What we need for this lab, we need a wire stripper with the crimping section, Phillips screwdriver, number 4, okay? We need a long nose cutter on the side, an alignment. In addition, we are going to need a power cord with the proper wire terminals, fork to connect this and apply power to the fire alarm control system, and a drill in case. So this, and of course we need fire alarm cable, okay? And right here, I will connect the power. The power cord. Okay, so on this section, on this area, on the upper left corner, we have the connector, the block terminal to connect the power. We have the black, we have the ground, and the white. So the black goes to the top. Then we have the ground, and you can see the ground symbol on the board. And then the neutral at the bottom of this. Okay. On this side, so I need per actuator, in this case an strobe, I need a 4x4 junction box, metallic one. Also, I need the fire alarm cable. And if this is the last actuator, it has to have, between the positive and the negative, it has to have a 4.7 resistor. So these are the positive and the negative coming from the fire alarm control panel. Positive, the negative here, the positive here. To continue to the next actuator, if this is not the last one, the positive, this positive, which is at the center, the red one will be connected here, the black one will be connecting here, and we continue to the next. At the end, the last actuator has to have, as a return, a point of return to close the circuit, it has to have a resistor, 4.7 resistor between the positive and the negative. Okay, the positive and the negative, 4.7 ohms, 4.7 kilo ohms resistor, 4.7 kilo ohms resistor. Okay, and we connect this, the other end is connected to this section. So you can see here the positive and the negative. The positive will be connected right here at the top, and the negative will be connected at the at the bottom. Okay, I use a long piece to be able to manipulate, and then I will be assembling the straw on this. So I need to see there is a screw, a Phillips screw at the bottom. Okay, I'm gonna tie this. It should be ready now. Okay, you can see what I have been doing over here. So we have here the power, commercial power, 120 volts. And this section is telling you how to connect the actuators. Okay, they are connected in parallel between the positive and the negative. And at the end, we have a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. Okay, and this is the section in which we connect the battery. Okay, and then let me connect the power. Hold on, let me see. Okay, the system is booting up, okay. And now I need to press number 1 to start the startup process. Okay, and of course, press down arrow key to start. Okay, and right here I need to test it. So I will do reset and acknowledge. Okay, and then I will press drill to start. And it's telling me press enter to start. Yeah, it means that it's connected properly. It's connected properly. Okay, and we stop, as electrician, we stop here. The programming part and the connection via internet with the nearest fire department should be done by the fire alarm company and people with the proper training whose specialization is fire alarm system. So as electrician, we stop here, of course, because we have to do this electrical part. And keep in mind the material that you should be using. EMT?
Red EMT.
And also you have to use the 4x4 and the appropriate connector for EMT. Okay, now I will stop this. To stop it, I press any key. That's it. So my test has been done perfecto. Thank you.